Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to show up desktop icons in Windows. For example, here we don't have this PC icon. If this tutorial is useful for you, like and subscribe us. So, let's do it. Right-click the desktop and click on Personalize. Go to Themes. Now click on Desktop Icon Settings. Here you can check wherever you want to appear. I only need Computer in Recycle Bin. After that, apply and press OK. And it's here on desktop. We hope you like and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion, whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!